Hello, today I'm sharing a avocado dip along with several fruits. It is very tasty and healthy. Take the ripe avocado and cut it into two pieces. Inside it, you will find the big seed. Remove the seed and scoop the pulp. Pulp can be scooped easily because it is very ripe. It is very soft and it tastes much better than the raw one. Put the pulp into the mixer jar. Add some coriander leaves to it. You can also add some green chilies to it and add some tomatoes. Along with the tomatoes, add some spring onion. For the sweeter taste, I am adding some strawberries. You can also add apple instead of strawberry. And for the citrus taste, I am adding some raspberry. 1 or 2 pieces of garlic and ginger. Adding some salt, black pepper and red chili to it. It will add taste and flavor to the dip. I am also adding some flaxseed to it and squeezing one orange to it. A lemon can also be used instead of orange and churn it. Tasty avocado dip is ready. It can be consumed with the burgers, snacks, rolls, nachos, etc. I hope you and your kids will enjoy it. Have a happy and healthy day. Enjoy.